You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these phrases. We're going to look at a bit of the meaning as well. This is a bit of a meme from TikTok now, a TikTok trend. The pronunciation is as very demure, very mindful. Demure is the pronunciation in English. It means reserved or modest or shy, typically used for a woman, very demure, very mindful. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.